Hmm.
So, ganong kasama na, Mr. President, at ganong kagahama na.
Hmm.
Kasi sa halip na substandard, hindi na talaga ginawa para yung buong budget para sa project, nilaro na sa casino.
Yun talaga ho, yun talagang karumal-dumal na ho ang tawag ho natin diyan dahil ni isang hollow block o isang buhangin wala hong tinambak ho doon
Yes.
sa flood
And
control.
the President himself, he saw for himself that kind of an activity. Sabi niya, nakita niya, ghost project. Wala siya nakita pala, pero alam niyang ghost project kasi dapat based on the website ng DPWH, meron talagang dapat na napondohan at nabayaran doon sa lugar na pinuntahan niya na wala naman siya nakita.
I think my point of the matter, Mr. President, good gentleman from Cavite, is for me, again, personally, these are red flags, although not legal, but red flags. And from my experience in the private sector and also in the government sector, this type of sole proprietor bidding for multi-billion projects are not best business practices. No? Normally, businessmen will not risk their house and their savings account to go into business. Normally, they would want to have certain level of protection so that they will not put their own personal asset at risk. And these are just red flags that the Blue Ribbon Committee should look at. Although honestly, we're still doing a lot more analysis on this. But I just want to bring this out to the good gentleman since he also brought out a contractor who is also a sole proprietor.
And thank you for bringing this out, Mr.